Hi, I'm just doing a quick review here of the two sets of joysticks here. One's actually an official Sony joystick, as you can see here, and the other's a knockoff, and it's from the website I ordered it from was miniinthebox.com. As you can see here, the Sony joystick actually has the PlayStation logo dead in the center there. See it closely. The Mini in a Box joystick has the P3 logo instead. There's still a select and start button, just like the Sony joystick has, but the Sony joystick actually has the Sony logo there, and the knockoff, well, it's got nothing up there. Button layout is pretty much the same. You've got the circle, X, square, and triangle on the right side. It's the same thing with the knockoff joystick. I can tell you one thing. Plastic on this Sony joystick seems to be a little more durable than this knockoff joystick here. I'm willing to bet that if I was to drop this joystick on the ground 1, 2, or maybe even several more times, this thing would fall apart very quickly. I've dropped this joystick from Sony several times, and as for the price comparison, I can tell you this much. Sony joystick, usually with tax, costs about $65. This joystick here only cost me about $28, give or take. So that goes to show you that you do get what you pay for. And by the way, this joystick, I played with it maybe once or twice. I was playing Crisis 2, and the left button, or the what is it called? The R2 button broke. I actually had to take this joystick apart, this knockoff here. I had to take it apart and realign it. I was praying that it will work, and it actually did, and it's worked since then. But I've never had a problem with this joystick. Meaning, dropping it several times, or just leaving it lying all over the place around my room, no problem with it. But this knockoff joystick, I'm not sure it will survive any, if I drop it on the floor several times, I'm pretty sure it'll fall apart. So, like I said, it does prove that you get what you pay for. You probably should go for the Sony joystick instead, if you have this, the $40 extra to spare, because this one that I got from Mini in the Box, I'm pretty sure that, I'm not willing to throw it on the ground or anything, but I'm pretty sure if I drop it several times, it will get damaged. So I suggest you go for the Sony joystick, and I'm not sponsoring Sony, believe me, but it's a more durable product, and yes, you do pay more, but the buttons will survive the mashing and, just accidentally dropping the joystick, and the plastic is of higher quality. See if I can zoom in a little more to show you. You can see the plastic's really not as durable as the Sony joystick's plastic. Outer casing. There's other similarities too. As you can see here, it says, turn this around, DualShock 3 Sixaxis, and it allows you to put in the adapter for, or whatever, the charger into the PlayStation 3. Same thing goes with the Mini in the Box knockoff. It also says DualShock 3 Sixaxis, and it allows you to put in the charger into the PlayStation 3. But this is definitely the better buy. So go ahead and spend the $60+ on this joystick, because it's more durable, and it'll take more of a beating than this guy over here. And that's all I had to say. Thanks for listening. Bye.